Hey y'all. Okay, well finally, here it is. I've mentioned my passive income streams many times and I've promised this video would be coming. I've already done short videos on CD ladders, high yield savings, and dividend investing, so I'm not gonna say much about those here. If you haven't seen those, watch to the end of this one and I'll put up a tile that will take you right to them. Let's go. I've said a few times that I enjoy photography. Now, I've been taking pictures for several years now, and my favorite style is landscape. But over the last 3 years or so, I've been doing a good bit of portrait work. Definitely pays better, but I can't continue that once I move to Thailand, and for two reasons. Number one, I can't work in Thailand. And number two, well, it's not passive at all. To generate passive income from photography, I do stock photography. Now, stock photography is creating a photograph that anyone might use for their business and advertising or for any other reason, on a website, whatever. If you walk down the streets of any city in Thailand, you're gonna see basically the same picture at every massage parlor. Those are all stock photographs. Those are stock images that someone buys to print to create their advertising. Someone had to take that picture. That's what I do. You've probably heard of agencies like Shutterstock and Getty and Adobe for stock images. I upload to those sites and my images are for sale there. The process is basically shoot, edit, upload, tag, and then sell. Once the images are online, they're available to be licensed over and over again, forever. Totally passive income. But the market in stock photography has become really saturated. And with the new subscription pricing platforms, it's really killed image value. So where photos used to sell for $15, $20 and more per picture, under the subscription plan where anyone can have a subscription for $10 a month, download as many photos as you like or as many images as you like, the payout on those averages only about 10 cents a picture now. I was watching YouTube recently and saw a young man who had packed up his things and moved to Thailand, bragging that he just packed up and moved. No plan, no income, not a lot of money saved. And one of his ideas was that once he got to Thailand, he would start into stock photography as a way to make a living. Well, clearly he hadn't done his research and didn't realize that stock photography, one, is a very long game, and two, paying 10 cents a picture, even on Thailand's cost of living, that's a whole lot of pictures he's gonna have to sell to get by. Sounds like a plan to fail to me. But hey, wish him the best of luck. Before I move on, if you would, take a second and like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel and I definitely appreciate it. Let's move on to passive income stream number 2, and that is stock videos. Very similar to photos, we're just talking about doing videos instead. Each video clip is 5 to 60 seconds long. It's one continuous shot with very light editing. I try to pick subjects that someone might use in their business for advertising or whatever other purpose anyone could use a video for. I love to take videos while I'm on trips, while I'm on vacations with the kids, or with planned intentional shots. Now for stock videos, I use an agency called Blackbox. Blackbox is unique because it's a platform that allows you to submit one time to them and then they distribute to multiple stock agencies. So different from the photos where I would have to upload a photo to Adobe, the same photo to Shutterstock, the same photo to Dreamtime, and tag all of those. With Blackbox, it's one and done. I tag it one time, upload it one time, and it's distributed to multiple agencies and is available for sale on all of those different platforms. I have over 9,000 videos available in my portfolio on Blackbox. Little over 500 of those are videos that I actually shot. I earn a percentage based on every sale for the 8,000 plus videos that I've curated for other people, and I earn more for a video that I've taken myself. I can pay people to be models for me. I could pay someone to edit the video for me by giving them a percentage of each sale when the video sells. Now, if the videos don't sell, I don't make any money, and neither does the actor or editor or any of the other collaborators. So it's a pay when it's sold type of setup. Now, stock video used to be extremely lucrative. Even when I got into it 2.5 years ago, a 4K video clip sold for $180 for a 5, 8, 10-second clip. But once again, this whole subscription plan idea has come into the video world, and it has driven the price of videos down. So while the number of videos that I have online has increased dramatically over the last couple of years, that same drama has unfortunately been in the opposite direction for the value, and it's been driven down quite significantly. There have been times where for a video that in the past I would have earned a minimum of $50 for and as much as a few $100s for, now sells for less than $1. So 2 years ago in a month I was pushing almost $300 a month in video revenue. And in the last 6 months, I think I've only broken $100 once. Come close a few times, but even while the number of videos that I've got online keeps going up, the revenue keeps dropping. So one big takeaway from that is don't count on your passive income streams to generate the same level of passive income forever. Things change in the market. So you've always got to keep looking and exploring and learning and developing additional streams as you go. Now, while that's discouraging, it hasn't driven me out of the market. You know, $100 a month is still a great passive income from something selling that I shot 3, 4, 5 years ago and uploaded 2 years ago, or something that I just shot on our last vacation and has now sold. All right, passive income stream number 3 is graphic design. Now this is centered mostly around print on demand. Platforms like Amazon Merch, Redbubble, Teespring, and even Etsy are ways that I am able to take these designs to market. And they're usually on things like t-shirts, coffee mugs, many other items that are available. And these simple designs or quotes or little sayings generate passive income for me when they're sold. Again, I don't have to hold any inventory. I don't really have to do any kind of marketing. Same as stock video and stock photos. Upload the design, put it on the different products, adjust the pricing, and enter the search engine optimization or the metadata that gets the items found, and the platforms do all the marketing work for me. When an object is purchased, it's printed on demand and shipped directly to the customer. I don't hold inventory, I don't have to worry about shipping or anything else. I just create the designs and upload them. Now, this one involves a lot of work getting it started because there's a lot of tagging that goes into it, and of course there's a lot more time spent at the computer creating the designs themselves. But once they're uploaded, they're there forever, or for as long as I leave them active anyway, and they can generate revenue again and again as sales continue. Now, when I started this, I was uploading to several agencies. It was pretty quickly obvious that there were 2 or 3 main agencies that generated most of the income for me, and the 2 biggest for me are Amazon and Redbubble. Now, Amazon has a tier system where you're limited to the number of designs that you can have active based on your tier level. You start at tier 10, go to tier 100, then tier 1000, and so on. As you make more sales, they tier you up. So right now I'm limited to 100 designs, but I should be very close to tiering up and getting into tier 1000, which would allow me to increase the number of designs I have available in the marketplace to 1000 from 100. One would think that if I get to tier 1000, I have 10 times as many images available or 10 times as many designs available mathematically. Revenue should increase by 10x, so let's see if that plays out. Now, Amazon is fairly limited on the products that it offers. It's mostly t-shirts, and I'm going to show some of the t-shirts that I have available as I continue to talk. That way you don't have to stare at me, but you get a better idea of the things that I'm doing from a graphic design perspective. Redbubble, on the other hand, opens the door to more than shirts. It has a lot of other products that it makes available, and it's a great platform for sticker sales. They also do things like posters and mugs, laptop covers, phone covers, magnets, all kinds of different things on Redbubble for the same image. So those two platforms are the main platforms for my graphic design work. And I'm going to put a link to both the Amazon and Redbubble stores in the description. Now I understand that clickable links are going to be a thing of the past for YouTube. They're going to do away with those. So wherever they move them to, that's where you can find those. Or I think you could copy and paste from the link that will remain in the description. I don't think they're going to strip it away. It just won't be clickable anymore. But if you would like to see more of those designs, maybe pick up a shirt, a mug, or a sticker or something while you're there, you can follow those links and check that out. One of my favorite designs lately is actually this shirt that I'm wearing. Die with memories, not dreams. And that's kind of become my mantra as I've moved into retirement mode and planning for the move to Thailand. You know, you can sit at home, work your life away, or hibernate in your room and dream about the things that you wish you could see or do. But I'm stepping out and I'm taking you with me. I plan to die with memories and not just dreams. I want to be able to look back on the places that I've been and the things that I've done as time draws near, and be able to reflect on those things as memories and not just wishful thinking. The fourth stream that I'm working on, you're watching it. It's YouTube. Hopefully I'm going to add YouTube to my passive income stream soon. As I reach that threshold of number of subscribers and watch time hours, there will be a potential to monetize this channel and actually create some ongoing passive income as people watch the videos. So again, I appreciate all of you subscribing and watching the videos all the way through, because that adds to that minimum subscriber count and watch hour threshold that will take me to the monetization limit. So overall, these streams solve two things for me. One, they're hobbies basically. They help get me outside. They're a lot of fun for me. If I didn't enjoy them, I wouldn't do them. And if there comes a point where I don't enjoy them, or they're simply not profitable anymore, I'll stop. But for now, I plan to keep taking more pictures, making more videos, creating more t-shirts, and creating more YouTube videos for you. The second thing that it does is that it creates a passive income stream for me. So if I'm able to make a couple dollars off of something that I enjoy doing, that's a great benefit. So these passive income streams, coupled with my CD ladders, my high yield money market, and dividend investment strategies, will pay for most of my expenses in retirement. Okay, as promised, here's the link to those financial videos that I've mentioned a couple times. They're short, and I'd really appreciate it if you would click on them and watch at least one of them all the way through to the end. I hope that you'll get something interesting out of it, and maybe even find a way to generate some more passive income for yourself. See you in the next one.